Welcome to Al Isla National Academy, the best foundation for great future.
Today we are going to start a new chapter from the geography section of class 6, that is Longmen Vistas. So second chapter name is the latitude and longitudes. So the first chapter we have discussed about the globe, or in the previous classes you may understood what do you mean by globe and what is maps. So in this chapter we will discuss about the globe and what are the latitudes of this globe have and what are the longitudes have. So one globe is a 3D or spherical figure. A globe is a small three-dimensional model of the earth. So we made this one a shortcut definition of the globe is a 3D model of the earth surface. So now the thing is that the globe have two poles, like north pole as well as the south pole. So in the exactly middle of the globe a line is there. Such type of line is known as the equator line. So it means the middle portion or above the line, we know this one, the above the line is known as northern hemisphere and the below the line is known as southern hemisphere. While we are drawing a map, at that time the upper side or the upper side of the map is known as northern side and the bottom of this side is the southern side. So my dear student, while we are considering or exactly middle of the globe, we will draw a line or an imaginary line exactly 0 degree equator. So such type of line or this line is known as equator line. So above the equator, above portion of the equator line is northern hemisphere and the down portion or the below of this line, whatever the portion are there or the below part of this line is known as southern hemisphere. So now what do you mean by North Pole and South Pole? So exactly the end point of northern hemisphere is known as North Pole, or at the exactly end point of the southern hemisphere is known as South Pole. So this is the story about, or this is the basic knowledge about the northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, North Pole, South Pole, equator. Or now the hemisphere means the half portion of sphere is known as hemisphere. So now latitude. The latitude of a place is a angular distance of a place north or south of equator. Earlier I just uttered a word that is 0 degree. Now this 0 degree denotes as whatever the angles of this equator line and North Pole, how much distance, how much angle they created along with the North Pole and South Pole. This angle we denote as a latitude. So now important parallels of latitude. Some of the important things are there in the latitude, that is the Tropic of Cancer, or the parallel of 23rd half degree north. While we are writing 23 half degree north, it means the northern hemisphere, it is Tropic of Cancer are located. Tropic of Capricorn, that is again 23 half degree south. This is while we are writing south, it means north and south. In the north side 23 half degree, it is depicted as the Tropic of Cancer, while 23 degree half is the degree south, it is depicted as Tropic of Capricorn. So now exactly the double of 23, it means 66 half degree north, it is Arctic Circle, as well as in the similar way in the southern side 66 degree half south, that is Antarctic Circle. This is the important parallels of a latitude. So now longitude. If you know adjust latitude of a place, it will indicate only its position north south of the equator. So now longitude means while we are drawing a equator line, at that time the beside two sides of this line are known as north side and the south side, or it means southern equator or northern equator. This is the story about the longitude. So now the location of time or longitude and time, that is all places located on the same meridian see the sun at the same position in the sky. This is the called local time of the meridian. So now these are the regarding time between two things. So while we are reading or beside latitude, there are also a circular lines running through the North Pole and the South Pole. So these lines are called longitudes or the meridians. It means all these lines or meridians are also a imaginary line. Why imaginary line? Because inside the globe so many lines are there. So people are considering, or the writer are considering, is a imaginary line. So meridians are also imaginary lines numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree. So unlike the lines of latitudes, meridians are the equal in line. All the longitudes as well as or latitudes or meridians, both the lines, whatever degree, whatever the lines are there, it means both the lines or latitudes and meridians are in equal in length. It means both the lines length are equal, the distance are also are equal. Now the prime meridian, it means the PM. While we are reading the time, already I just told you that we are locating the time. So prime meridian, it means PM. that is 0 degree latitude runs through Greenwich near London. While we are locating on the map London side. So we will get this one, that prime meridian, that is 0 degree longitude, runs through the Greenwich near London. So longitudes to the east Greenwich are called the east longitude, or it means that in the east side, or that in the longitudes whatever the east side is there Greenwich, so that is called east longitudes of the Greenwich. So we denote this one as capital E, and those to the west are called the west longitudes. It means the Greenwich west side is those west longitudes we depict as a W. For example, India is located to the, for example, I just taking the example, it means India is located to the east of the prime meridian. So this is regarding about the calculating about the time. Now regarding time zone or the international date line, we know that the time is added by 4 minutes for every longitude while going eastward, and it's a subtract while going to westward. If I go to the eastward, then we just add 4 minutes increasing. It means it's increased 1 latitude to 1 latitude. It means it's just increasing +4 longitude. So while it's going to the west side, then we will decrease 4. While it means subtract while going to westward. As such, there is a 24 hour, that is 360 degree into 4, that is 1440 minutes. So difference at the 180 degree east longitude, which is the same as the 180 degree west. Already I just told you that longitudes are equal in length. To solve this problem, an imaginary line called the international dateline. So while we are calculating this dateline or international dateline, we just solve with the help of international dateline was created. It's more or less same as 180 degree longitude, but not a straight line, because while this one globe is a 3D figure, so while whatever imaginary line, it's not the straight line, it's just a curved line. I think or just you have understood the chapter. So little bit knowledge about or basic idea I have given to for this chapter. If you have any doubt, you may write in the comment box. Thank you so much. Be happy and be safe.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon for latest update.